All right, check out this beautiful Lazy Susan glass. Now, my fondest memories were going to a Chinese restaurant where everybody shares the food, and they had this rotating Lazy Susan. I really wanted something like this. So I ended up getting this one because of that. And now we're able to share the same fond memories with it. Now, this is made of glass. It's a thick glass. There's 2 layers of it, and it has some areas where it has to retain because it has to spin it, but it's a little heavy duty. This is gonna be a couple pounds. Now, my recommendation, it does get dirty. You eat a lot, you're gonna get dirty. But at the end of the day, it brings this joy to our family. We sit together here, we enjoy a great meal, we share things together. So very simple glass, out of the box, nothing to assemble and put it together. Hope you guys enjoy the video.